Your mechanic is not going to tell you this, but with these 17 WD-40 car hacks, you can save hundreds, avoid costly repairs, and even make your car feel brand new. From making headlights shine like new to freeing rusted bolts that would normally require a full shop visit, these hacks are practically magic. Stick around until the end for a bonus trick that will protect your car in ways most people never think of. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. Restarting your car after floods or heavy rain. Imagine this. You drive through a sudden downpour, get home, and your car won't start. Panic sets in. But the fix is easier than you think. Spray WD-40 directly on ignition components like the spark plug wires or distributor cap. The water displacement formula pushes out moisture, restores spark instantly, and keeps your car from stalling. You're not permanently waterproofing your car, but in an emergency, this simple step keeps you moving and avoid the tow truck nightmare. Hack number 2. Stop window tracks from sticking or squeaking. Power windows dragging or squeaking is more common than you think, and it's not always the motor. Dirt and grime in the tracks cause friction, straining the motor and risking a costly replacement. Spray a thin line of WD-40 along the rubber channels, then roll the window up and down a few times. Instantly, the glass glides smoothly. No squeaks, no motor strain, and a problem that could have cost hundreds is solved in minutes. Hack number 3. Lubricate stuck seatbelt retractors. A seatbelt that refuses to retract is more than annoying. It can be unsafe. Pull the belt all the way out, wipe it clean, then spray a tiny amount of WD-40 into the retractor mechanism. Guide the belt in and out a few times. Suddenly, it glides back into place like it's brand new. This small tweak prevents future wear and keeps your belts functional without expensive repairs. Hack number 4. Clean and shine dashboard plastics quickly. A dusty, faded dashboard makes even a clean car feel grimy. Instead of pricey interior sprays, lightly mist a microfiber cloth with WD-40 and wipe your dash, door panels, and plastic trims. Dust disappears, surfaces shine, and the formula even helps repel future dust. One quick pass makes your interior look freshly detailed without breaking the bank. Hack number 5. Remove crayon, gum, or sticky mess from seats and carpets. Kids, snacks, and accidents happen. Instead of scrubbing and pushing sticky mess deeper, spray WD-40 on the spot and let it sit for a minute. Wax, gum, and candy residue loosen, and you can blot or scrape gently. Follow up with a vacuum for carpets, and your interior looks clean again. It's faster, easier, and far less damaging than soap and water. Hack number 6. Keep engine bay cables and connectors from corroding. Electronics under the hood fail for one main reason: corrosion. WD-40 protects connectors, battery cables, and sensor plugs. A quick spray forces out moisture and leaves a protective layer. The result? Fewer error codes, fewer unexpected breakdowns, and a car that runs reliably for years. Hack number 7. Protect spark plug wires from moisture. Wet spark plug wires can cause misfires, rough idling, or a no-start situation. Lightly spray WD-40 along wires and distributor boots. It displaces moisture, forms a protective coating, and ensures current flows exactly where it's supposed to, keeping your engine firing perfectly in damp or rainy conditions. Hack number 8. Clean battery terminals to improve connections. Corroded battery posts are not just ugly, they weaken connections, dim lights, and stress your alternator. Spray WD-40 onto terminals and clamps, scrub away corrosion, then tighten everything back down. You restore reliable power flow, reduce future corrosion, and avoid premature battery replacement. Hack number 9. Spray inside locks to prevent freezing in winter. Frozen locks in winter are a nightmare. Don't jam keys or pour hot water. Spray WD-40 inside your locks first. It drives out moisture and leaves a thin film that keeps ice from forming. Doors, trunks, and ignitions stay functional, saving you from broken keys, costly lock replacements, and tow bills. Hack number 10. Free up stuck spark plugs or other threaded parts. Stubborn spark plugs and O2 sensors love to stick. WD-40 seeps into threads, breaks rust, and lets you loosen them smoothly. Let it soak for 10 minutes, then carefully turn. For tough spots, spray again and gently work it free. You avoid stripped threads and expensive head repairs with a single can. Hack number 11. Stop squeaky hinges on car doors and hoods. Metal-on-metal squeaks are more than annoying. They cause wear. Spray hinges lightly with WD-40, move the doors or hood a few times, and the noise disappears. It's simple, fast, and keeps hinges functioning longer without replacement costs. Hack number 12. Prevent rust on tools and undercarriage components. WD-40 was made to push water off metal, and it does it brilliantly. Spray tools, jack stands, or your car's undercarriage to create a thin barrier against rust. Cars treated this way survive winters and salty roads far longer, and your tools last decades instead of years. Hack number 13. Loosen stuck bolts or rusted nuts. Rusted bolts can turn a simple job into a disaster. Spray WD-40 on threads, wait 5 minutes, then try again. Tap lightly for heavy rust. The penetrant reaches deep, loosening bolts that would otherwise require drilling or rethreading. You save frustration, time, and hundreds in repair bills. Hack number 14. Remove bumper sticker residue without damaging the surface. Sticker residue is stubborn and messy. Spray WD-40 on the adhesive, wait a minute, then wipe or scrape gently. It lifts off without harming paint. Clean surfaces, zero scratches, no stress. Hack number 15. Protect car paint from minor scratches and corrosion. Your paint is armor. WD-40 forms a protective layer along panels, wheel arches, and doors, keeping dirt, water, and salt from corroding the surface. Fresh scratches temporarily vanish under the shine, and winter damage slows down. It's proactive protection that saves money and keeps your car looking pristine. Hack number 16. Clean and restore headlights from oxidation. Cloudy headlights aren't just cosmetic, they're dangerous. Oxidation dulls light, and most fixes are temporary or abrasive. Spray WD-40 lightly on the lens, wipe it in, and clarity returns instantly. Brighter headlights, safer night driving, and a car that looks years younger in seconds. Hack number 17. Remove tar, sap, and stubborn grime from car paint. Rough, gritty paint isn't just dirt, it's baked on tar, sap, or bug residue. Don't scratch it off. Spray WD-40, let it sit, and wipe with a microfiber towel. The grime melts away without damage, leaving your paint smooth and protected. Repeat for tough spots, and WD-40 also leaves a barrier to slow future buildup. Bonus tip: apply a light WD-40 mist on frequently touched metal and painted surfaces. It forms an invisible shield, preventing scratches, rust, and grime buildup, keeping your car safer, cleaner, and longer lasting than most expensive detailing routines. These 17 hacks turn a simple can of WD-40 into a full car-saving toolkit. Use them wisely, and you'll spend less, stress less, and keep your car running and looking like new.